Compressor quickly transcodes your media for delivery on DVD or the web in 3 steps. To create DVD-compliant movies, import a QuickTime movie into Compressor by choosing Job, New Job with File. Navigate to the movie and open. In the Settings window, choose one of the standard DVD preset groups. Each group is categorized by quality and duration. For example, to encode a 30-minute movie with the highest quality settings, choose DVD, Best Quality 90 minutes, then drag the group onto the job. When you're ready to encode, click Submit. Give the batch a name and submit. To monitor the batch's progress, click the disclosure triangle next to Today in the History window. Compressor will display a progress bar and an estimated time until completion. The final step is to import your movies into DVD Studio Pro for authoring your DVD, or upload the web-compliant files to your .Mac account or other web server for playback in a browser.